Connecting your assembly to BambooHR will allow you to seamlessly manage who joins and leaves your assembly at any time. To connect your assembly to BambooHR, in your admin page, click HRIS Connections, click See All Integrations, select BambooHR, and follow the simple steps to connect your account. Upon successful connection, you'll be taken back into Assembly, where Assembly will sync with all of your BambooHR data to understand which employees are available for you to pull into your platform. Depending on the size of your data, this may take a while, but it's okay. You can leave and come back. We'll send you an email when this process is finished. Once the sync is complete, you can finish your connection with BambooHR. From here, you can select who you want to automatically join or leave your assembly. If you select everyone, this means everyone who joins your BambooHR account will automatically be added to your assembly. They will automatically be removed from your assembly when they're deactivated in BambooHR. You can also select people within a specific company or office location, as well as anyone within a specific group or department. For this demo, we'll go with everyone. You can choose whether you want to send the invitations now or queue them up for later if you're not ready to launch. You can also choose whether you want new members to automatically be added to your assembly, or if you would prefer admins to approve them before they join your assembly. When you click Create Assembly Accounts, this will create invitations or queued invites for everybody in your BambooHR account. Once finished, you can view the queued invites from your Manage Users page. And when you're ready, you can send all of these users an invitation to your assembly by activating them. Once they're in your assembly, they'll have full access to the platform where they can give recognition, receive recognition, and do many other features. Once activated, they'll have full access to the assembly platform where they can take advantage of many of our features. Once activated, all queued employees will receive an invite to Assembly where they can log in and start using the platform. To give recognition in Assembly, click Recognize Someone, select the employee or employees that you want to recognize, add the amount of points that you want to give to that person, and write a personalized message where you can include GIFs and file attachments. Click Give Recognition to post the recognition. The post will appear in the feed for all of your employees to see, where people can reply to the post, react to the post, and also leave additional points for the person. You can also give awards in Assembly. You configure which awards are available for your organization from your admin section. Once they're configured, anybody who has permission to give an award will see the option to give an award here. From here, they'll select the awards that they have permission to give. And like recognition, they'll select the recipient or recipients of the award. The award can have a predetermined amount of points. In this case, you won't be able to edit the points that you give for this award. Add a message. You can add a GIF as well. And click Give Award to give the award. Like recognition, the award will appear in the feed where people can also react, reply, and add additional points. You can also post announcements in Assembly by clicking the Post Announcement button here. Only people with permission to post announcements will see this button. To create the announcement, enter the title, enter the message, You can attach files, add GIFs, add mentions, and all of that. You can upload a custom image. And then you can also designate if you want to allow people to reply and react to the post. If you want it to be strictly informational, you can limit replies and reactions, or if you want people to engage with the post, you can leave these on. You can also determine whether you want to post it immediately or schedule it for later. To schedule it for later, you can go in here, pick a date, and choose the date that you want it to post. For now, I'll do the post now. The duration, you can set it for how long you want it to be. Once the duration ends, the announcement will automatically get removed from the announcement section. You can also select which groups you want it to go out to. For now, we'll just keep it to everyone. And for the announcements, whenever there is an active announcement, even if you've seen it, it will remain pinned to the top of the feed for all of the people who have access to view it. You can use the points that you've earned in your To Redeem section to redeem for a wide variety of rewards in your rewards catalog. This catalog is determined entirely by the admins, so you can customize which types of rewards you want to offer. Select the reward that you want to redeem. Click the Redeem button. And in this case, for culture rewards, your admin will be notified that you redeemed this reward, and they will reach out to you directly to fulfill it. But for gift cards and other rewards, the reward will be sent directly to your email.